What is up, YouTube? It is a beautiful day in Mexico City. And we got something super fun planned today. I'm about to meet up with some other Mexican YouTubers called 5 Mexican Guys. And we're gonna go on a food tour.
Hey there, what's up?
What's up?
What's up, man? How are you?
Good, man. How are you?
Well, we can do a lot of videos.
Cool. Your car is scaring me a bit.
So it's been like this for years, and he has actually fixed his brakes.
Okay.
They still sound like this. We don't know why.
So the brakes work well. You're safe right now.
Okay, guys, this video's over. I'm here with the 5 Mexican guys, but I only see 3. Who are we?
Today's 3 Mexican guys.
3 Mexican guys. Who are we here with today?
I'm Alonso,
Horacio.
Man Moisés.
Cool.
and we are gonna do a taco tour today.
Para los otros nos vamos a mover.
What can you guys tell me about the first stop today?
So the first stop is Yucatecan food. It's a state from the south part of Mexico, and it's very different from what you usually eat here in Mexico City. So yeah, we're gonna try some cochinita tacos.
Okay, Cochinita. I can't wait.
Panuchos.
Are we getting a kilo?
No, I don't think so. Maybe a lot.
Yeah, I heard that the food in the Yucatan is great too.
Oh yeah, it's awesome. Cochinita taco.
Cochinita taco, you can see it's super juicy. And this is like shredded pork.
I don't think I've seen that soda before. Boing.
It's
Boing
very-
soda.
you should try
That's a
it.
Mexican one, right?
Great, it's my favorite.
Oh.
So this is mango.
The guava.
I love the guava, like I always have it at home. It's my favorite.
First ever boing.
That's a mango.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it tastes like the fresh juice that you get on the street.
The cochinita is here. We can see also that we have red onions, and we are missing lime.
The key ingredient
To all
for
Mexican
all foods
food.
Mexican, yeah.
Lime, and I haven't tasted this salsa, but this is habanero, guys.
Okay.
Habanero
So it's
sauce.
gonna be spicy.
Poquito, solo poquito.
Yeah. Just to get to know this salsa before we put more. Yeah. So this is about it.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Gracias.
Taco cheers.
Wow.
How's the first bite?
Amazing.
Oh man, amazing. So good.
So juicy.
So good.
Okay, I'm gonna try to make mine. Lime. Just a little bit.
And there you go. See? Yep.
Quite spicy.
So
A bit sweet.
So we have also the torta and the panucho. So the panucho is like a taco, but instead of rolling it and putting the cochinita inside, they cut the tortilla in half and they add a layer of beans. And
then they fry it.
Then they fry it, and after that they put the cochinita and the onions on top.
Wow.
And it's an
So
amazing
it's
combination.
crunchy. You have the beans, and you also have the cochinita with the onions.
So I think we cannot see it here, but this. Okay, there you
there
can
are
see
the
the beans.
beans.
There's an in-between layer of
In between,
beans.
exactly.
Now you added the lime already, right?
Yeah.
And the habanero?
Habanero.
Just a little bit?
Just a little bit.
Okay, I hope not too much.
It's going to be a surprise now. Okay. Wow. That is crispy. Sounds crispy.
That meat is so good. I don't know how they cook it, but it's so juicy, so good.
Cochinita pibil is a dish from the Yucatan Peninsula that involves marinating the pork and using like orange.
Hey, you're
juice.
cheating, you're cheating.
I'm kind of cheating. Yeah. We don't know everything. We like to eat, but
Yeah.
we're not the masters of every flavor. So, yeah, they use sometimes like orange juice, and they use something called achiote.
Orange juice on
Yeah,
meat.
on the meat. Yeah, with the marinade.
This is quite the torta. It looks like they
They put it on the griddle.
oh, it's like panini style.
Yeah, so it gets kind of crispy on the outside, but very soft on the inside. But you know what that's missing? Some salsa.
It's missing salsa. That habanero.
Habanero sauce.
It was spicy.
I thought I was gonna escape the habanero this time.
Just a few drops so we don't get them too spiceful.
Cochinita sandwich.
Was that good?
That bread is so good.
Yeah.
So good.
It soaks up all the juices,
Oh my
right?
god, I need another bite. Yeah, you're right. There's no juice because it all went into the bread, right?
Yeah.
Bread. It absorbs all the juice of the cochinita.
But it's so
Genius.
crispy on the outside.
Some of my longtime viewers will recognize that place. Oh my god. We're trying something new today. There's just so many taco places in Mexico City that you will never run out of options, that's for sure.
Con todo, por favor. So we have maciza, which is like lean meat. They have some cuerito, which is skin, fried skin, but not crispy. We also would have like buche, and which is the intestines. So a little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything.
Wow. This is guacamole sauce. Look at that. With the piece of, I want that avocado piece. Go down. Go. There you go.
Always gotta get that avocado.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh man, I need some salsa. Oh man, I need some salsa.
So what I like about these Carnitas Tacos, which
Yeah.
are great, is that you can really taste the pork. Like with the Cochinita, there was a lot of spice and a lot of flavor from the sauce. Here, it's all pork flavor and it's so strong. Let me see that taco. Wow. That's great.
I'm telling you guys, you cannot be a vegetarian in this city. It's impossible. It's impossible.
Carnitas have this very distinctive taste. They taste like oil and like fat, and they are super tender. I mean, they tear apart the moment you bite them.
And you can taste the different parts of the meat.
Yeah.
You taste it like some parts are crunchier than others. Some parts are
sometimes
softer.
are
Right?
leaner, sometimes parts are fattier.
Saltier. It's a really, really interesting bite.
Let me show you. This is like lean meat.
Wait.
This is like lean meat, but we also get cuerito, which is this part from here. This is the pork skin fried.
Great.
So guys, those ones were 23 pesos each, but as you saw, the amount of meat you get, it might be like 2 or 3 tacos at Pastor. Like they just stuff it in there. I feel like I have so much meat stuck in my teeth. You always need a toothpick in Mexico. So guys, that second taco was interesting because I got to try the different kinds of meat all put together. So you get a really interesting bite. I gotta be honest though, I think that first place wins it for me.
That
The
first place?
sauce with the
Yeah.
slow cook was...
The sauce, the flavors that they have down there in Yucatan
Yeah.
are amazing. We would like to travel there someday.
That's just my personal preference though, guys. Both the places were great, and I want you guys to let me know in the comments which taco looked better to you. Hey guys, I just saw this sign. What's that? Is that it's
it's-
saying something was filmed
It
here?
says that Amores Perros,
Yeah.
a Mexican movie, was filmed here. And Amores Perros was directed by Alejandro
Okay.
González Iñárritu, which won the Oscar from Revenant.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, next time you come here, there's gonna be another sign. The New Travel and Five Mexican Guys was filmed here.
We won the Oscar as well for
Yeah.
our
Yeah,
documentary experience.
YouTube video of the year. And where's the best taco you've ever had?
Such a tough question. That's such a tough Like we're gonna get in a fist fight right here.
How to start a fight in Mexico. Let me know if you think of it. I'll give you some
Okay.
time to...
The best taco.
Best taco I've ever had. Wow. There's so many tacos, man. It's impossible.
It's impossible to narrow it to one.
This place, guys, I promise I will take you there someday, but it is a street stand in the street.
You're not that good.
Oh, we're gonna... Here comes the fight. Here comes the fight.
This is going to end up in a fight.
Yeah.
For sure.
Those are the best tacos.
Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end my video here before the fist fight. So we're actually gonna go try a couple more places. That's gonna be on the Five Mexican Guys channel.
Come here. Come to our channel.
If you want to see more of
Wait,
me
for
and the
you.
guys maybe fighting each other, well, come check out their channel.
So, thank you, Dan.
Yeah, no
Thanks a lot.
problem.
That's great.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks for the good tacos.
Perfect.
See you next time, guys.